February 2nd, 2011. Walking home from Walgreens. So far, the top 5th snowfall that Chicago has seen since snowfall history has been kept. And we still have about 2 to 5 more inches to go. We're at about 18 inches. I think officially at O'Hare. Just gonna try to slowly make my way home. This is Wilson Avenue. Let's see if we can make it. Heading east on Wilson, going home. You can see the drift surrounding these cars, or halfway up the cars.
About it.
It's pretty amazing. How'd you make it through there? Wow, look at this garage rooftop. How much is collected on there? Pretty substantial drift. The drift is the killer. Alright, let's continue to make our way home. Looks like more snow is the second round is going to start. That's going to give us the 2 to 5 inches. Coming up to restaurants trying to plow their way out in their parking lot. Sorry about the quick zoom. So well, let's walk up the street. No cars today. Yep. Massive snowfall and drift. Alright, let's go in, maybe film our building a little bit. See where this guy's going. Let's go back. Yep, it's back. Second round, let's go in. Camera's getting snow on it. Hopefully I don't jack it up. These buried cars. All right. Coming up on sidewalks that are plowed. Here's home. Doesn't look too bad. Go down the alley. As a plow came through. Look at that drift. Oh my god. We have neighbors parking here. And somehow our car remained uncovered for some reason. Didn't get snowed in. Pretty awesome. All right. Let's go in. Let's see what's up over here. Look at this drift. There's no way getting in through here. This other way. Knock knock. Hey. Hello. Hi. Just documenting it. Trip to Walgreens and get some beans grinded at Starbucks.
It's easy to document it based on a child's height.
Some of the drift might be over his head.
I know. That's
Like, how about the parking lot back here?
yeah, I know. We're gonna go over there. Isn't that?
Oh,
crazy?
so you're gonna just walk around? That is awesome.
Yeah.
It just started back up. I think there's one more snowfall that's gonna come through. It's supposed to do like 2 to 5 more inches.
Yeah.
So we'll see where we end up. I think right now we're in the top 5 snowfalls ever.
Yeah.
So,
So enjoy.
yeah, you too.
I was born with it.
This is like where I grew up. It's awesome.
Yeah, as long as we don't have to drive in it. All right. Let's go up our deck. All right, here's the deck. You're king of the hill, Allison.
I need a sleigh like that.